Welcome to Linux Help. How to install Flask on Oracle Linux 9.3. Flask is a free and open-source microframework for Python that assists developers in constructing secure, scalable, and easily maintainable web applications. It is built on Werkzeug and incorporates Jinja 2 as its template engine. Check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Now check the version of the Python by using the following command. Now check the version of the Python is 309. Check the version of the pip by using the following command. If pip is not installed, then install it by using the following command. After the installation, check the pip version again by using the following command. Install the virtualenv package by using the following command. Create a new Python virtual environment by using the following command. Once the virtual environment is created, run the following command to activate it. Now install Flask by using pip following command. After the installation, check the version of the Flask by using the following command. Now create a simple Python code file that will import Flash to print a simple hello message by using the following command. Add those following command. Run the file by using the Python command. Now go to the browser and search the following link. Now the Hello, Flask message is shown. Now the Flask is working fine. This is the process to install Flask on Oracle Linux is 9.3. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.